Get ready to delve into the world of handheld gaming with the ANBERNIC RG556. This console is a real game changer, and I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons why you should consider adding it to your collection. Before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description for more details and the best prices. Let's go. The RG556 boasts a gorgeous 5.48-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 pixels. That means you'll experience incredibly vivid colors, sharp visuals, and deep blacks that bring your games to life. Whether you're playing retro classics or the latest indie titles, this screen delivers an immersive gaming experience. Under the hood, the RG556 packs a punch with its Unisoc T820 processor and 8 GB of RAM. This powerful combination ensures smooth gameplay even with demanding titles. Plus, with 128 GB of internal storage and expandable memory, you'll have plenty of room for your entire game library. It is more than just a retro console. It runs on Android 13, giving you access to a vast library of games and apps. From classic arcade titles to the latest indie gems and even streaming services, this console has it all. With features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can connect controllers, headphones, and even play online with friends. The RG556 is designed with comfort in mind. Its ergonomic shape fits perfectly in your hands, and the buttons are responsive and well-placed. The Hall joystick and triggers offer precise control, making gaming sessions even more enjoyable. With a 5500 mAh battery, it can keep up with your gaming marathons. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted gameplay without worrying about running out of juice. It's perfect for long commutes, flights, or simply relaxing at home. Reasons why this handheld should be your next handheld gaming console. With its stunning display, powerful performance, versatility, comfort, and impressive battery life, this console is a must-have for any gamer. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information and the best deals. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.